Let's add a camera flash effect in Premiere Pro. It's quick to set up and works great for enhancing transitions or creating dramatic moments in your video. Start by creating an adjustment layer. Go to the project panel, right-click, choose New Item, and select Adjustment Layer. Once it's created, drag it over the clip where you want the flash to appear. Next, open the Effects panel and search for ProCamp. Drag this effect onto your adjustment layer. Now, go to the Effect Controls panel and increase the brightness. This creates the bright flash effect. Since a camera flash is brief, trim the adjustment layer down to a single frame. You can do this by moving your playhead to the start of the layer, then trimming the edges until it's just one frame long. To make the flash more realistic, add a sound effect. You can find camera flash sound effects online or in a sound library. Import the audio, drag it onto your timeline under the adjustment layer. If you want multiple flashes, simply copy the adjustment layer and the sound effect, then paste them wherever you need flashes in your timeline. You can vary the spacing to create a staggered effect or keep them close together for a rapid burst. When you play it back, you'll see a convincing camera flash effect synced with sound. It's a simple touch that can add a lot of impact to your project. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.